This feels really weird. I think this is my first YouTube video with no makeup on, and I feel a little bit naked. Keep watching if you want to see what's inside this bag of Body Shop goodies. I have a bag of Body Shop goodies. So let's begin with cleansing our face. That word was cleansing. So we have the Vitamin E Cream Cleanser. Now Vitamin E is really good for supporting the immune system, the cell function and skin health. It also reduces the appearance of scars on your face too, so this is brilliant. Okay. Every day takes off my makeup real good, but I do start the day with it too as well because I just find that it moisturizes really nicely. Okay, so we're just going to give that a little rub like so, and it really hydrates my skin. It's nice and gentle and it smells really fresh, and afterwards you have nice soft baby skin, so it's good. It really good. Not dirty. Ew. Hydrating toner, like I said, it moisturizes, it's real good. Now this just removes any of that cleanser that's still left on your face. So we're now gonna tone that skin, so cleanser to the toner. Smells lovely. And the good thing is with this, you can use it on your eyes too. I've got sensitive skin and it works perfectly for me. Feels really nice and gentle. This is for all skin types. Okay, so we've done that. We've got a Vitamin E moisture cream. I need to stop saying that. The moisture cream. Now this can be used daily. It's not an intense moisturizer, but I can feel as soon as I put it on that, that's good. Yeah, so let's give that a go. You can, of course, get the overnight Vitamin E cream as well, and that will reduce scars on your face too, and help improve the cell function of your skin. Body Shop also have a range of vitamin C as well, which I haven't tried yet. Vitamin E is good for me. It's really nice for my skin. I've been using this for about 2 weeks now and I've seen such an improvement in my skin. It seems to plump my face. Does that make sense? So let's move on to our Insta Blur. This comes in at £15. This to me is very much like the Benefit primer. I'm a massive fan of this. The primer as it comes out is actually quite thick. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so it's actually quite a thick primer. It is see-through and it leaves my skin ridiculously soft, ready for my foundation. It is so good. Yeah, okay, so it just feels so soft, and that has set my skin ready for my foundation. That is really lovely. It's mattifying too, so that's just going to make your foundation set really lovely. Okay, so let's move on. This is a Fresh Nude Tinted Beauty Balm, okay? This is more of a balm for the natural look. So yeah, if you want foundation, but if you want something super duper light that you're not going to feel uncomfortable during the day and you just want to look au natural beautiful, then this is really good. I would totally recommend. They come in 3 different versions as well, but I've got the medium fair, fresh nude. Of course you can get different shades as well. So let's apply the Tinted Beauty Balm and see what we get. Now I often do use this like so. My shade is number 2, medium fair, and that's good for me. I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. This isn't a makeup video, this is just me giving you an honest review about the Body Shop products. It is so natural. That's lovely. I'm going to apply a bit more because I think I need a bit more coverage. Now see, I've applied another coating of the Beauty Balm, and that just looks so much nicer with a second coating, I think. I give that 9 out of 10, people. Here we have our eyeshadow on our cheeks. Now this is lovely. This is Shimmer Waves, and you can get this in 3 different colours as well. This comes in at £16, but look at those shades. That's really nice. You've got a nice pink, you've got your golds there, you've got your browns and your creams. Now I don't know about you, but this is what I would go for, yes. I love the pink from the tops of my lids. That is gorgeous. The creams for at the top under your eyebrows when I finally get around to put my eyebrows on. And then we also have the pinks, and you can use that for your cheeks as well. That's a really nice highlighter. Should we give that a little try? I'm yet again just using my fingers for this. Just gonna pop that on there. I'm not gonna lie, it's not super duper whooper obvious, but maybe that's quite nice. It just gives you a lovely shine and a bit of colour there. I feel like you're going to get through this quite quickly though, if you're going to be using it on your cheeks and your eyes, but the colours are perfect. Really love that, especially the gold. Oh, that's gonna be on my eyelids all day long. That's gorgeous. There we go. We'll do the Rose Dewy Glow. Now, I was not sure what to think about this, but it smells gorgeous. Really, really nice. It's really awakening, really fresh, and it locks in that moisture. I think you can put this on before or after your makeup, but I would recommend putting this on after your makeup because it really gives you that moisture and that dewy, glowy look. So, shall we give it a go? Let's do it. Oh, it smells so good. Now this comes in at only £6. I am very, very surprised that this is only £6. I was expecting at least 12, so I'm very, very happy with this one. You can get this in 3 different kinds as well, so give the catalogue a little check out. I'll leave a little link below for you. This is lovely. 10 out of 10 for the Dewy Glow. Yes, love that. Let's move on to the matte lip liquid. You can get this in so many different shades, and I have the shade Windsor Rose number 32. Okay, so this is Windsor Rose. Now I'm kind of wishing that I went for the darker shade for me, but this is super duper natural. It is matte and it is obviously a liquid. However, it is so moisturizing. I've had the matte lip gloss like this before, and yes, it sets, but it makes my lips so dry. I apply it and half an hour later they feel so uncomfortable. So let's give this a go. Just like so. And as you can see, it is such a light colour, it's really natural. I definitely prefer something darker for me. Yes, I'm enjoying these. I hope you are having lots of fun. If you have any questions as well, just leave some questions below. I'm just enjoying it. This is so fun. Lash Hero Extension Fibre. This is so good for me. I would absolutely recommend this. Now this comes in at only £12. Oh, I don't know about you, but this saves me so much money because I'm no longer wearing false eyelashes. So I'm a massive fan of this. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on and I'll let you be the judge. So we are doing one coat here of the mascara, London Jet 01, but you can get it in blue as well. I'd like to try the blue one out too. So yes, this is all you do is apply a mascara, and then we head over to our fibres, and you're just gonna brush on the fibres, just like so. I mean, the fibres feel like they're falling, but they never ever go in my eye, and that's just perfect. Because who wants a fibre in their eye? Absolutely no one. Let's just brush that on. Lovely. So this is going to give you that lash extension that you want and need. Yes, this is an essential. So we've added the mascara, and then we put our fibres on, and then we're just going to brush over it again. I mean, you can do this as many times as you like, but I know we just do it once at the beginning, then with the fibres, and then again. But it depends. I do a lot of shows when we're not in lockdown, and I would usually wear lashes, but now I'm so going for this, and I would probably just add a few more layers to really get that dramatic look. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Lash Hero Fibre Extension, and I am such a fan. Absolutely would recommend this. Yes, much better than lashes, and it only comes in at £12. So yeah, I think this is a total bargain. So let's take it off with the Chamomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. I use this every day and I am a fan. Bear with me. Just grab my cotton pads. So let's take off the mascara. Just want to show you how this works. Really nice. Just like a normal... Oh, what happened to my voice there? A normal eye makeup... I can't talk. A normal eye makeup remover, it's chamomile, so it's so gentle. I have sensitive skin, so this works really well for me. This is for all skin types, but yeah, for sensitive skin especially, I would go for the chamomile gentle eye makeup remover. And I normally just use 1 or 2, and it really does take all of it off.